Hello friends, welcome to this digital learning video on Google Attendance Sheets. I'm going to just give you a quick overview on Google Sheets and how you can use it to document the daily engagements that your students have while learning online or while they're going through a hybrid schedule. So this is a Google Sheet. I actually already made one for you. I made a template. To find it, all you need to do is go to my training website under tips and tutorials. About halfway through, you'll see Google Sheets attendance, and there is a button here for you to click for a copy of the attendance sheet. And so this will force a copy. Once you click on make a copy there, this Google Sheet is going to be yours. You don't have to go to file, make a copy. You can kind of notice here, this was a copy, so now it's a copy of a copy. And then you can kind of change this up here. You can call it Mr. Ramirez North Shore 9 2020-21 attendance template. So here it's a place for you to put your name. This one is by class period. So if you have 7 classes, you'd have to make copies of 7 sheets. And so you just put, after putting your name here, and then you put your class period there, first period, you would add your students. And so you could get a spreadsheet from Skyward. I don't have students on Skyward, so I didn't do that here. But if you need help getting your students on a spreadsheet and then getting them onto this sheet, I'll definitely help you out. So this is by the month, and so it's kind of color coordinated here. You can change that if you like to, but I went ahead and color coded each week, make it easier. Notice how when you scroll to the right, you kind of lose visual of the student's name on the left. So I went ahead and put students here on the right. So when you copy them to the left, you can copy them to the right also. And so coming back here, you will see that I have, going all the way down, I made 35 of these rows here with their engagement. So you'd click either, if you see them in person, Google Meets, turning assignment, progress on the computer, which I will show you how to do that on ClassLink in another video. Maybe you got verbal progress or just an email or text message. So let's say, they turned in an assignment earlier in the day and you went ahead and measured that engagement, but you also had a Google Meet. You don't have to go back and change it. Once they have an engagement, that's all you need to do. And so this one is September. I went ahead and made one for October also. And so for the other months, all you have to do is just kind of copy this template here. So do not use this add sheet here. What I would do instead is go to the last month, click on that menu there, and just duplicate. So once you duplicate, you'll see copy of October. Just click on that menu again and rename it. And so the next month is November. And so just name that November also. You can color code these tabs also by clicking on the menu and then changing the color. That's up to you if you want to do that. So here's like you can change the color there. But that's how you would recreate for the next month. And for one class period, you can use the same sheet as long as you make a new tab here also. But be sure to change the dates here, and you may have to change the colors and things like that and stuff. So if I want to kind of go this way and add some cells to the left or to the right, you would click on this here and you would insert a column, and it would insert, or did I just delete a column there? Maybe I just deleted one. Control C, what did I just do? Yes, I deleted one by accident. So if I want to insert one to the left or insert one to the right, I want to insert this to the right, then I added another column right there. And if I just wanted to add this, I just kind of copy this whole thing, Control C, and then Control V to do that. So that Control Z that I just did, that is one of my lifesavers there. If I made a mistake, like you saw me there, I deleted the ID. If I delete something by accident, just hit Control Z and you will get it back. So I hope this helps y'all, and have a great Mustang day.